I'm Jordyn Main.
And I'm Jordyn Main.
And together we have Stoney Lonesome Farm, which started in 2016. In 2023, we became members of PA Preferred. And we do pasture-raised pork, we do grass-fed beef, pasture-raised poultry, and this year we added land-raised wheat to mill into flour.
Today we're going to make pork kebabs with our pasture-raised pork cubes. So these are really super simple, but when I'm threading the skewers, I like to do 2 pieces of pork and put the onion right next to it so that the flavors kind of combine. The pork cubes are marinated with some olive oil, some honey, salt, pepper, a little bit of paprika, and garlic, and there's some soy sauce mixed in there as well. So now that those are all threaded, all we're gonna do is throw them in a skillet with some olive oil. Let's put in just enough olive oil. I'm a firm believer in measuring with your heart. Yeah. Get them all set up in there. And then cover it. Covering it up helps soften the peppers and the onions. After you flip them a couple times, they should be good to go. The nice part about doing it on the skillet is it still gives you that like grilled char in there a little bit. You'd never know the difference.
Perfect. It's great marinade, just salty enough. Absolutely phenomenal.
Now that we've gotten Justin's stamp of approval, we hope you try this recipe at home. Thank you so much, PA Preferred, for having us today.